what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today for you guys, I'll be showing you how to do a shoot through on bars. Let's go. First things first, you want to have a really solid horizontal or above cast. Second, you're going to choose your favorite leg to shoot through. So normally I'm a lefty in gymnastics, but for shoot throughs, I prefer to shoot my right leg through. And then I'm going to show you a drill that will help you achieve your shoot through. Let's go. You're going to want to get in a solid push-up position. This is your cast position. You're going to tuck your favorite leg, whether it's your right leg or your left leg. Tuck it in like a mountain climber and shoot it through. And each time you want to get faster by going here to shooting it through. You want to tuck it and then inch your foot forward. You want it a fast motion. Now that you have your favorite leg you want to shoot through and big cast, you can work on cast and tucking in. Let me show you. Have your solid cast down. Whoa, I impressed myself. Big solid cast like that. After that, you can start tucking in like your mountain climber. Cast, tuck, cast, tuck, cast, tuck. Now when you go for your shoot through, your hands do not move. Like our cast, we don't pick up one hand or swap hands. We keep them both on the bar. So when we're in that cast position, you tuck it in and shoot it through. I always tell my kids, think of it like a soccer ball. The foot is your soccer ball, your hands are the goal. You want to shoot your soccer ball through the goal, not around. You can't cheat the goal by picking up one hand and then flinging the leg over. Once you have all that done, go ahead and attempt your shoot through. So much for watching this video. I hope you got your shoot through on bars. If you did, tag me in a video. I would love to see it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I'm amazed. That really hurt my hip. Oh, did y'all hear that? That was my stomach.